Our tour continues as we leave the ancient ruins behind and head into the vibrant heart of Rome's historic center. Every turn in these winding streets reveals a new layer of history, a hidden courtyard, or a quiet piazza. Suddenly, the sound of rushing water grows louder, and we arrive at the Trevi Fountain, a masterpiece of Baroque art. Completed in 1762, this spectacular fountain is built against the back of the Palazzo Poli. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Legend has it that if you throw a coin over your left shoulder with your right hand, you are guaranteed a return to Rome. From the grandeur of the Trevi, we make our way toward one of the best preserved buildings from ancient Rome. The Pantheon, a former Roman temple, has stood for nearly 2,000 years, its architectural perfection still baffling engineers today. The oculus, the circular opening at the top of the dome, is the only source of natural light, connecting the heavens and the earth. As the sun moves, this beam of light travels across the interior, acting as a giant sundial. A short walk away is Piazza Navona, perhaps the most elegant and vibrant of all Roman squares. At its center stands Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers, an incredible feat of Baroque sculpture. This square is the heart of Roman social life, where artists, locals, and travelers gather to soak in the atmosphere. The church's white marble facade provides a stunning backdrop to the vibrant energy of the piazza. We continue through the fashionable streets of the Tridente area, heading toward the iconic Spanish Steps. Built in the 1720s, the Spanish Steps provide one of the most famous and photographed views in Rome. At the foot of the steps, Bernini's simple yet beautiful fountain reminds us of a flood that once brought a boat to this very spot. The climb to the top is worth it for this breathtaking view of the city's red-tiled roofs and countless domes. Nearby, the Grand Piazza del Popolo served for centuries as the main entrance to the city for travelers from the north. The central obelisk was brought from Heliopolis in Egypt by Emperor Augustus, a symbol of Rome's imperial reach. As evening approaches, the Pincio Terrace offers the most romantic sunset view in all of Rome. The city takes on a new life after dark, as the warm glow of the lights transforms the marble and stone. Take a moment to enjoy a quick espresso, a true Roman ritual that keeps the city's energy flowing. There's nothing quite like a Roman passeggiata through these historic streets as the stars begin to appear. Thank you for joining us for part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.